In this lesson, you'll learn how to animate some of the film. While animating the film, we're going to resize the film, and we also need to implement the green screen to show the space station behind the characters. So what we want to do is start at the beginning and look at our visuals and see if we like all of these takes. I think the first scene is good, I think the second scene is good, and I think this third scene is good. When we get into this scene where we're seeing the blue guy again, let's animate this scene. And how do we animate? Well, we're going to do the same thing we did with the music, where we made the music higher and lower, kind of something like that, where we're going to be in the effects control panel and we're going to work with the motion module. We're going to zoom in on this guy here. We're going to start with the over-the-shoulder shot, but then we're going to zoom into his face. So at the beginning of this part of the film, I want to click on Position and Scale, the little stopwatches to the left of the words Position and Scale. Do you see the two diamonds that were created here on the timeline? Drag the timeline marker to about this area right here. And then what I want you to do is I want you to click on the scale and drag it to the right. So we're zooming into his face. A diamond was created on the timeline. Now we want to move him down and to the left a little bit. Click on the position here and drag it to the left. And then click on this position and drag it down. Now select both those diamonds and bring them to the right until they snap at the end of the video. Now there's a reason why I didn't put those diamonds here to begin with. It's hard to get to those. That's why I build it out here first and then I move them over here. Now let's watch that scene, see what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? Let's do it backwards on this one, where we have him really close to the lens and then we push him back so we can see the over-the-shoulder shot. Now, we don't have to do it all over again, what we just did. We can copy it and paste it. Select each of those diamonds by doing a shift click to select them. Then do a Command-C to copy them. Let's come over to this footage, bring the timeline all the way to the left, and do a Command-V to paste those diamonds in there. Now, this is a good starting point. I think he's too close to the middle of the screen, so I'll click on this number here, click and drag that number to the right. Take the timeline, drag it to the right, and then press the Position Reset parameter, and then click on the Scale Reset parameter, and then select those two diamonds and drag them all the way to the right. Now this is what it looks like. All right, that looks pretty good. So that's how you animate a scene. We also accomplish resizing the scenes too. Let's go to the next scene. This is good. This scene needs to be worked on. I want to get a little bit closer to the elbow here. So take the scale up and then bring the position to the right. And this is what that scene looks like now. Now in this scene, we're seeing the fingers. So we want to scale the scene up and push it down so we get rid of those fingers there. What I'll do is I'll go to the part of the scene where we see the most fingers and go from there. Let's bring the scale up and then bring the position down. Let's bring the scale up just a little bit more. Bring the position over to the right so we see part of the head for the over-the-shoulder shot. And now let's watch that. Oh, see, that works really good. I like that. That works. This scene is good. This scene is good. And this scene is good. This lesson will continue in the next video.